How to share any TikTok video to your Instagram story directly. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share any TikTok video to your Instagram story directly. So first thing you have to do, go to TikTok. As you can see, this is the homepage. Now let's say that I want to share this video to my Instagram story. Go here, click on this arrow right here, and then swipe right until you find Instagram, but you have to choose the stories option right here. Click on it and it will take you directly to your Instagram story. That's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.